Introducing our new and improved Sailrite tempered cutting glass. This glass surface is perfect for upholsterers and canvas workers using a hot knife. It's also great for leather workers when skiving leather. This new cutting glass now features convenient grid lines every inch with 1/4 inch markings to make it easy to line up the perfect cut every time. Tempered glass is a type of safety glass that is made to be physically and thermally stronger than normal glass to ensure a safe work surface. This surface pairs perfectly with our Sailrite Edge hot knife so that you can cut and seal synthetic fabric, rope, and webbing with ease. The tempered cutting glass allows the blade of the hot knife to slide smoothly across large surfaces without damaging the table underneath. This glass surface is also great to skive and edge bevel on because unlike other cutting surfaces, it won't dull your knife, which will be protecting your tools. We've linked the Sailrite tempered cutting glass in the description below. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.